How to view the statements on RBC mobile app. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you want to view your account statements on Royal Bank of Canada, here are the steps. First of all, launch the application and log in using your credentials. Then after, tap on the More icon, which is on the bottom right corner. Tapping on it should open another page. On that page, you have to click on the statements option. Now that you go to the statements, choose an account from which you want to view the statement. It could be your checking account. Once that is done, your last 6 statements will appear. You can select the arrow to the right of last 6 statements for more date ranges. So for now, you can click on the one that you want to view. The statement will open in a PDF for you to view. You can zoom in and out to check for the details of your statement. Now let's check the direct account overview option for viewing the statement. The process is simple. From home page, choose your account and you will land to this page. From here, tap on View Statements and select the date range. And just by that, you can view your PDF statement. That's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.